I like to discuss what is satellite communication. Okay, so basically this diagram shows the broad diagram of satellite communication. For example, this ground station want to communicate with another ground station which is separate by kilometers away. So hence the most effective way to establish communication will be via satellite. So let's take a look how does this communication can happen. The ground station actually will send the uplink message to the satellite. The satellite will receive the message, then it actually amplify it and then reroute it to another ground station. So basically, you can see that communication actually happen from one ground station to another ground station. While it is very clear that the message don't start from the satellite and the message also don't end at the satellite. The satellite in fact act like a relay. They just help to relay the message from one ground station to another ground station. So next you can see that this two diagram is highly correlate. Okay, so basically the satellite is also known as the space segment, while everything on the earth is actually known as the ground segment. The user segment is basically the control of the space segment and also the ground segment. Next, let's take a close look on the three types of satellite. We have the LEO, MEO, and GEO. Okay, the low Earth orbit being the closest to the Earth, so therefore they has the shortest latency, which means that they have the most attractive in term of delay. They can receive the message the quickest as compared to the other two. So next will be the medium Earth orbit. Okay, so basically they are slightly further away. They are actually in between LEO and GEO, while GEO is the furthest away from the Earth. Okay, so hence it can cover a larger footprint. However, the latency will be very high. So basically, this is the mention about the different footprint for the three types of satellite. As I mentioned earlier on, LEO being the closest to the Earth, so hence they will have very little footprint, which means that very little part on the Earth will be served by the LEO satellite, while MEO is actually further away as compared to LEO. So therefore, they have a larger footprint. And over here, you can see that they are able to serve a larger community. While for GEO, they are actually the furthest away from the Earth, and hence you can see from here, they have the largest footprint. And imagine this, you just need to have three GEO satellite in order to cover the whole Earth. So basically, this is the key difference between these three types of satellite. With this, if you're keen to know more about satellite communication, please see the playlist under the description. Thank you so much.